Today we're going to start on a project that's going to take us a few weeks to complete, and we'll bring you into the project over the time that it takes us to complete it. But we're going to do something I'm very excited about. A few years ago, actually before we started our off-grid project, we decided we were going to buy a trailer that was really just priced for its structure. We weren't sure if the actual trailer was going to be any good, if the living quarters of it was going to be any good, but we knew we were at least getting our money's worth on the pulling part of the trailer and what would sit on. So we grabbed it and we started to renovate it, and we discovered, sure enough, there was tons of water damage and it was not salvageable. So about that time we decided to move off-grid, and we ended up putting our trailer project to the side. But it's finally time for us to start tearing apart what used to be a Terry travel trailer and building it into something that will be fun. So our goal with this trailer is to create a simple little tiny house. It'll be about 150 square feet, maybe somewhere right in there, maybe 125 square feet, that we can take up by the river. We call it our off-the-grid location, and we can leave it there this summer so that we have a place to get away and enjoy ourselves on a whim. So I hope you'll enjoy this tear down that we have today, and then over the weeks we'll bring you in as we continue the build. So join us.
As you can see, you can never know what you're going to find when you're tearing things apart. This is a big wasp's nest. I think it's a sandhill. I might be wrong, but it's either a sandhill hornet or a yellow jacket nest. And it's pretty big and pretty advanced. I haven't cut it open yet because I wanted to get everybody's attention on it. And I hope you can hear me. The wind's blowing pretty hard. But we're going to go ahead and rip it open and see if there's anything in it. I see a lot of dead ones on the ground, but I think there might be some live ones in it, so we'll see. It's coming down! So we're 90% done with the tear out, which is a good thing. It went pretty quick, and we got a lot of trash off of it, and some stuff that we're going to salvage. So the next time you'll see us, we'll be working on the floor plan. And I hope you guys like this video. I hope you continue to watch it and look forward to our next one. And we will see you again. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.